Looks like it has a pizza oven as well. Does have painted cement floors. It is on a very large corner lot as well. Just to give you an idea. Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Belle in the northern part of the Villages. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home made of block and stucco. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. For those new to my channel, my name is Tim. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Today is an open house tour of this 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Gardenia model designer home located here in the Villages, Florida. This home is list priced for $539,900. And when you get inside, you will see that it is in very good condition with many upgrades. I first will take a panoramic view of the street. I will pan left. That is facing south, friends. And as I pan right, that is facing north. As I walk up to this home, you will see that it does have a beautifully painted driveway. It has a 2-car garage. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Gardenia model. It is a block and stucco home. It is located on a very large corner lot as well. This home has excellent landscaping, very mature, very manicured well. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact your listing agents, Rick McKean or Tim Millson at Realty Executives. You do notice the painted cement walkway continues to the front of this home. It has an outdoor seating area as well. It has a beautiful glass door. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful wood engineered floor throughout. It has very high ceilings with acoustic texture, very wide crown molding. Off to the right, you will see the kitchen area with tile floors, and I will visit that area a little bit later. Off to the left, you will see a guest quarter. You will find 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on this side of the home. Off to the right, you do see a guest bedroom. It has crown molding, acoustic textured ceilings, very neutrally decorated and painted. That is a queen size bed, friends, to give you perspective of the size of this room. Take a walk and spin around this guest bedroom. This bedroom does have 6-panel bifold doors. I will give you a peek of what that closet looks like. That is your closet in this bedroom. Very nice, very meticulously kept home. I will walk next into the guest bathroom. This is the guest bathroom. It does have tiled floors as well. It has a granite sink, white cabinets, many updates. It has a solar tube, a tub with a tile surround, very neutrally decorated, very wide crown molding as well. That is your tub, friends. Next, I will walk into the other guest bedroom. It does have carpeted floors. That does appear to be a queen-size bed to give you perspective. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. I will take a walk into this bedroom and turn around just to give you an idea of what this home looks like. Next, I will walk into the living room area and then out into the lanai. But first, I will video the specification sheet. As always, friends, please contact your listing agent, Timothy Millson. This home is located at 1676 Norfolk Avenue in the Villages. List price $539,900. Feel free to pause the video at any point to read the specification sheet. Here is side number 2 of the specification sheet. You will see the dining room is 10 feet by 12 feet. I will walk into the living and dining room area. You can see this beautiful engineered floor, wood floor continues throughout. Very high ceilings with crown molding. Very large solar tube in that living area. That is your living area there. Very neutrally decorated home. This home shows very well. That is your dining area over there, friends. It does have a recessed light. This looks like a Florida room that was converted. You do see it is temperature controlled. There is a HVAC duct there. It does have a lanai there as well. I'll spin around and show you what this living room looks like from this angle and the dining area. I will walk out into the lanai and give you a view of that. Then I will go into the yard. It does have a painted cement floor. Very neutral, very nice home. Lots of tender loving care in this home. I will go out into the outdoor patio area. Looks like it has a pizza oven as well. Does have painted cement floors. It is on a very large corner lot as well. Just to give you an idea. Very large corner lot. Lots of mature shade trees as well. Very large shade trees. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. That is your side yard right there. That is your home there. That is the backyard. Let's go inside. We'll take a look at the primary bedroom area and the kitchen before we exit the home. Very nice, very comfortable home. Very quiet area as well. Next, I will go into the primary bedroom and then the kitchen area, and then exit the home. This is a split bedroom design, friends. You do have the primary bedroom on the opposite side of the home as the guest quarters. Off to the right, you do see an inside laundry with a sliding pocket door. White cabinets with brushed stainless hardware. This room also has a solar tube in it. Here is the 2-car garage. The two-car garage does have a painted floor. There's your garage door there. It does have a sink in the corner. There are your mechanicals right there, friends. The AC unit was replaced in 2018. Let's take a walk into the primary bedroom. This laundry floor is tiled, by the way. I will walk into the primary bedroom. This is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom does have carpeted floors, very high ceilings. The primary bedroom dimensions are 18 feet by 14 feet. That is a king-size bed, friends, to give you perspective. Very nice. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture. Very wide crown molding. The back of this home does face west. This home, the front of the home does face east. That is your primary bathroom over there, friends. Let's take a walk into that primary bathroom area. It does have two walk-in closets with pocket doors, one to the left and one to the right. The closet to the right has a lot of cabinets in it, brushed stainless hardware, all the way up to the ceiling. Very nice. Primary bathroom does have tile floors. Has granite countertops. We'll spin around and take a look at what the primary bathroom looks like. Does have a separate commode room. Does have two sinks. There's sink 1, sink number 2. I will walk into the commode room and show you that. There is a shower with a glass sliding door right there. It is a tiled shower. Very neutrally colored home. There is your tile shower with a tile surround as well. Does have a seat in that shower. There is your primary bathroom. I will show you the closet as well. This would be considered a linen closet. That is your linen closet there. Lots of cabinets in this home. There's your powder station. I will walk into the kitchen next, friends. Show you what that looks like. This home is list price for $539,900. It is located in the village of Belle Aire. There is your kitchen. Has awesome subway tile backsplash. Very large. Solar tube. White cabinets, tile floors. This is nice, very nice. Has a nice kitchenette area as well with wainscoting. Has speakers in the ceiling as well. There's another angle of your kitchen. That subway tile is really beautiful. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. It does have a 2-bowl sink in the kitchen. Give you a close-up view of the subway tile. Very nice. Next, I will exit the home. And I'll give you one last panoramic view of the street. As I exit, you do see this large seating area here in the front of the home. It is a block and stucco home. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, this is panning to the right. It is on the corner of Norfolk Avenue and Hopewell Street, to give you perspective. As always, if you have questions, please contact your listing agents, Rick McKean or Tim Millson. They're Realty executives. There's their contact information. I will walk out to the street, give you one last panoramic view of this home. There it is, friends. 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, block and stucco, Gardenia model designer home located here in the Villages, Florida. Have a great week, everybody. Take care. Thank you for taking this home tour with me of this 3 bedroom and 2 bathroom Gardenia model designer home located here in the village of Belle Aire. Have a great weekend, friends.